Kerone, Irons is the name.
All right, Kerone. How do you feel about fans being allowed to come in the stadium now? It's a long waiting. What's your thought on that?
Well, I've been waiting for nearly 3 years now, and I'm very glad about that. But we know we have to do it with the
Man of the
COVID protocol,
Constitution,
so
and a black t-shirt.
I feel great about it.
All right. Sir?
Yeah, man. Irons is the name, man. Franklin. Yeah, man. It's good and great, man. It's a pleasure to be here once more, man. It's a long time I've been waiting for this. We give thanks to what the Prime Minister has done with the relaxation of the curfew and thing. And the Minister now to approve a few funds. We give thanks, man. It's a blessing.
Which team is you support? I see the big Mount Pleasant, right?
Mount Pleasant, man.
You
Mount
couldn't support another
Pleasant.
team, don't
No,
it?
no, no. Mount Pleasant
We know
all the
I'm-
way.
Drink Mount Pleasant.
You know you have some people wear the jersey and not supporting
No,
them.
Mount Pleasant all the way.
Look at this. You know how long this is on my heart?
So what's the prediction for the game?
Well, it's zero, but we want to win.
It's going to be a hard game.
Yeah.
Bimbo is back at Waterhouse.
Yeah, man.
In farm.
Well, we are looking for a 2-1 at least.
Okay.
I'm looking for a win. I'm not predicting any score, but just a win.
Thank you very much
Yeah,
and
man,
have a
you're
wonderful
welcome,
game.
man. Enjoy the rest of the day.